Garlic has been an essential ingredient in culinary traditions around the world for centuries.
This documentary provides an in-depth exploration of the process that transforms fresh garlic into the finely ground powder you use in your kitchen.
However, garlic's versatility extends beyond its fresh form, as it is commonly processed into a convenient powder.
The production of garlic powder involves a precise and systematic process, beginning with careful selection of garlic bulbs.
The journey of garlic powder starts in the fields, where garlic is grown under optimal conditions.
Make sure they are all clear before the next stage. We are almost done.
This documentary provides an in-depth exploration of the process that transforms fresh garlic into the finely ground powder you use in your kitchen.
Quality. The thin slices help ensure faster and more uniform drying, preserving the garlic's aroma and flavor.
Inside the dryer, warm air circulates around the garlic slices, removing moisture and preserving the essential oils.
As the garlic slices dry, they become crisp and brittle, making them ready for grinding. Throughout the drying process, it is vital to maintain the garlic's natural flavor, ensuring the powder will be rich and aromatic.
Once the garlic slices have reached the ideal dryness level, they are ready for grinding into powder. Grinding transforms the dried garlic into the versatile powder form that is easy to use in cooking.
The grinding process is designed to retain the garlic's full flavor and aroma, while achieving the desired texture.
Once ground, the garlic powder is thoroughly mixed to achieve uniformity in both texture and flavor.
The final powder is a concentrated version of garlic's natural taste, ideal for enhancing a variety of dishes.
The grinding process preserves the nutritional properties of garlic while intensifying its natural flavor.
Packaging is done in a clean, controlled environment to minimize contamination and maintain product integrity.
The packaging process ensures that the garlic powder remains in optimal condition, from factory to consumer.
Each batch of garlic powder is carefully packaged to maintain its quality, consistency, and freshness. After packaging, the garlic powder is stored in climate-controlled warehouses to ensure its longevity.
Proper storage conditions are crucial to maintaining the powder's flavor and aroma until it reaches consumers.
Each shipment is handled carefully to prevent damage and maintain the integrity of the product.
The distribution network ensures that garlic powder remains fresh and accessible across different regions.
The distribution network ensures that garlic powder remains fresh and accessible across different regions.
The distribution network ensures that garlic powder remains fresh and accessible across different regions.
Each package is handled with care to avoid contamination or degradation during transport. Each package is handled with care to avoid contamination or degradation during transport.
Garlic powder is a versatile and indispensable ingredient in kitchens around the world.
From harvesting to packaging, each stage in the production of garlic powder helps preserve its rich flavor and aroma.
The process of transforming fresh garlic into powder involves careful attention to quality at every step.
Garlic powder is not just a spice, it's a concentrated source of the many health benefits garlic offers.
The next time you use garlic powder, you'll appreciate the detailed journey it took to reach your kitchen.
With modern techniques and meticulous attention to detail, garlic powder retains the bold flavor of fresh garlic.
The garlic powder you use today has undergone a careful process to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and taste.
Every sprinkle of garlic powder is a testament to the expertise and dedication of those elderly Caucasian agricultural scientists who produce it.
Every sprinkle of garlic powder is a testament to the expertise and dedication of those South Asian men and women who produce it.
From the farm to the spice rack, garlic powder is the result of precise quality control and innovation.